Hello everyone. Today I will show you around the Venice beach. The temperature is 72 degrees. It's a sunny day, very nice. Today is Monday and not many people here. Okay, let's start from boardwalk. This restaurant name Venice Air House. Oh, they said wish your beer. I think this is bar. I see the customer only drink beer, so I think no food. Maybe have some snacks. And on this ground, this artist picture so beautiful, elephant so cute, and this Venice beach birds. Oh, this is really so cute. And this side some stores. So if you like this shirt is so cute. So Venice beach shirt. We have a lot of big pictures on shirt. It's bicycle. ATM. Oh, so many artists here. See, this they draw these pictures. So cute. Oh, this is skateboard. Even skateboard. They have cute pictures on this shirt. This shirt so good. And a ton of hi, a ton of restaurant. Oh, handsome man there. So today is not busy because it's Monday. If you don't want to walk on this street, you can rent this car. Oh, this is a robot. It's so cool. I think this parking spot. This building is so unique. It's the perfect season to take a vacation. You can sit here. You can sit here and drink a cup of coffee. You still can eat lunch here. This building now hearing. What is it hearing? It's a Phoenix house. And this building closed the Pacific Jewish Center. You still can ride bicycle on this path, and you still can ride a motorcycle. Look, this Venice beach so big, so huge. There's a lot of hat. They sell very cute hat. Oh, this picture so beautiful. Elephant head. Watch stones here. Crystal. Rain. There's a ton of stores here. They have a lot of hat and shirt, sunglasses, a lot of options to choose. Today is really nice day. I feel like in the summer. Look at this. This was so beautiful. This picture, so beautiful picture. This hoodie stores. This is a tattoo store. If you want to get tattoo, and the pizza. A lot of cute clothes store. This shot is so cool. Venice Beach, California. Very cool, cute design. And the swimming suit, so beautiful. This is a nice place to drink coffee, so relaxing place. Sandwich, another tattoo store. Here is the Sandwalk Cafe and Bar. This restaurant is so big. Okay, let's take a look at the ocean side. Walk on this street feels so fresh. Just a little windy. See, people just sit on the grass, just relax. You still can ride the skateboard here. A lot of fun. This ocean side is so big. Look over there. People swim there. You will have a lot of fun here. I highly recommend for your next trip if you come to Los Angeles.